A significant severe weather outbreak is possible this next week. Today is Thursday, April 9th, and there is some sort of risk of severe weather through next Wednesday, April 15th. Yes, it's spring in classic Tornado Alley. We know this is always possible, but we are about to enter a very active weather pattern. Multiple storm systems are going to be coming off the Rocky Mountains, mixing with that warm Gulf moist air. It all starts today. There is a level 2 slight risk of severe weather in the state of Kansas and southern Nebraska, also impacting portions of Iowa and Missouri. Localized tornado risk, hail risk, and wind risk. Going into tomorrow, Friday, April 10th, there's a level 1 marginal risk of severe weather for southern Kansas and northern Oklahoma. Saturday, there's already a level 2 slight risk of severe weather for western Texas into the state of New Mexico. And into Sunday, we are still watching the state of Texas, but also central Oklahoma into southern Kansas. Once again, a level 2 slight risk is already in place. Going into Monday, we are now talking from Texas all the way up to Wisconsin. A level 2 slight risk of severe weather is already in place. Models are starting to get really aggressive with the northern portion of this storm system. Going into Tuesday, a level 2 slight risk of severe weather is in place from Texas all the way through the Great Lakes, the state of Michigan. Millions of people at the risk of severe weather these coming days. Tuesday being another day of great significance picking up on these weather models. Wednesday, once again, a level 2 slight risk of severe weather is in place from Texas through the state of Illinois into Indiana. Severe weather outbreak is possible, a tornado outbreak is possible. Having consecutive days and intense days of severe weather already in the forecast is not a good feeling. As we get further and further out in our forecast, there becomes a lot of uncertainty, but there still is enough certainty to go ahead and talk about it. Some of these highlighted places I mentioned have already had very active severe weather seasons so far in 2026. I cannot emphasize how weather aware you need to be over the next week.